What's up you guys, it's Aidette. Today we are back with another video and today I am doing a misguided try-on haul and they did release some items that I do want to show you guys. And if you guys are interested, please make sure to click down below missguided.com or missguided.co/UK if you guys are in the UK. And also I do have a discount code. I'm just gonna throw it out there. It's gonna be right here, and also everything will be linked down below that you need to know, and all the items will be listed that I showed in this video. This is gonna be a try-on haul and we're gonna get right into it. And I know that I always love to be very comfy but still very cute, and I feel like the best way to go about it is using some pieces that are basic so you can dress up or down, so that way I can just accessorize, but I'm gonna have my staples in the closet that I'm going to be using. I'm gonna stop rambling on because I know you guys want to see the pieces that I picked up from Missguided. So I'm already wearing two of the pieces right now, and this one is more of like a comfy fit. This one is something that I would like definitely wear like if I'm in a very like goth type vibe, very chill, laid back, but still like punk-ish. This shirt just like kind of screams Billie Eilish to me just because of the green and the black, but this is a Lil Wayne top, and literally like look how adorable this is. This is the top here. It just says Lil Wayne. It has him right here, and I wanted to get this a little bit bigger. I actually got this in a medium on accident. I wanted to get this in like an extra large so it could be like a whole t-shirt dress on me, but as you can see, medium is like still a good fit. And keep in mind that this is cotton, so it might shrink a little bit, so get like a size up if you're planning to, you know, keep on wearing it. And then as for the shorts, these are my jean black shorts that are very essential for going to festival season because you can wear a bunch of tops with it and just make so many different outfits with these black shorts. And then they do have a little bit of distressing at the bottom. As you can see, it's just kind of ripped and adds a little fun touch to it just so they're not boring plain shorts. Honestly, these are probably like one of the most comfy shorts that I have ever owned. Something about them, they're just really nice. So okay, this is the next piece right here. This one's a little bit more of like a muted green dress, but I really love how this looks. It snatches you in, and it is kind of like a little tiny little mini dress. So I'm gonna show you guys right now what it looks like at the bottom. Even though this is a long sleeve, it's still very airy. I feel like I can breathe with it, but it still like really just takes you in, and I love that about it. Also, this little detail right here, the collar and the v-neck, just really makes the girls look really nice. And also for reference for how short the dress is, this is what she looks like. She's like a little tiny little mini dress, and you're definitely not gonna be hot in this. It's gonna be the perfect temperature. So this is what I mean when I tell you guys that you should probably pick up some basics, just because you can make this a lot more casual, and then also accessories to make it a lot more extra. So this is the next fit, and this probably has to be my favorite out of all of them that I have showed you guys, just because this is kind of giving me a Vanessa Hudgens feel. If you guys have been keeping up with Vanessa Hudgens, she is the icon for festivals, and she loves to wear her crochet tops, her flowy pants. That girl kills festival season every single time. So if you want kind of like a similar look to Miss Queen Vanessa, then this is definitely it. So we have this beautiful crochet top, and can we just like talk about the detail for a second? This is such a beautiful top, guys, and I feel like both of the whites go perfectly together, and it also makes your girls look really nice. It has a tassel right here. Honestly, it just really has the perfect amount of see-through to it, so it's not very completely covered up, so you don't feel like constricted, and also it is very lightweight. Okay, and this skirt right here did not come to play. Like, look at this flowiness right here, and then this beautiful slit. It is honestly like everything that you can ask for in a skirt, and she's just flowing. She's living her best life. This is so cute. This is definitely my favorite one that I have showed you guys yet. So cute. And then it also does have another slit, so it is double slitted. Oh girl, the airiness, the scandal is real. So this is definitely something I would wear. Oh, hold up, I'm sorry, who? Oh lord, girl. This right here, this is the fit. So cute. Okay, let me just take a second and explain what I'm wearing right now before I start feeling myself too much. But this is a jean dress, and you guys will see the bottom in a second, but I should probably cinch this belt in a tiny bit more so you guys can see the little effect that it gives you. So it does come with the belt, and I'm gonna put it on the last hole. All right, this is the dress, and this is a very comfortable jean material. Before you guys start thinking that this is like an uncomfortable material, this is kind of like the softest jean material that I have felt, and it's stretchy. As you guys can see, there is some stretch to it. It has the belt to cinch it in, so cute. And also, if you guys do want it to be a little bit more blingy, which is something that I would do, you guys can definitely get a rhinestone belt and replace it like that, and it'll be so bomb, girl. It's a pretty dark jean wash, and it is honestly so flattering, guys. Let me just show you guys the bottom real quick. All right, here's a better view. You guys can obviously zip this up if you guys prefer it, but I feel like I'm gonna be hot, and I also don't want to be too covered up and add a little bit of scandal, so of course I'm going to have a little bit of this going on. So I would also say that this is kind of like a mini dress, and also you guys do have to keep in mind that I am only 5'1½". Now let's get a little taste of this outfit. Okay, I'm kind of in love with this one and the first one and that white flowy set that I showed you guys, but they're all kind of tying right now because this one is so cute and relaxed and just so like, leave me alone. This is basically just a super oversized shirt, and I would wear this as a dress too, but I also had to add this pair of jean shorts here. It's pretty much like the same thing as the black pair, but this one is just a light wash jean. I'll show you guys those in a second. This top is super versatile, so if you guys wanted to even throw it off the shoulder or even unbutton it and add a bralette, you guys can do that. I kind of like this little relaxed vibe that's going on right here, and you can even just like scrunch it and tie it up in a knot and then just have it like that. So these here are the jean shorts, and I'm sure you guys can see the similarities from the black shorts to these because they're literally the same thing, but I love the distressing. It adds a little bit of texture to it. And here's the back, so you guys can see that this is a very like, I don't really care, I'm vibing out type outfit, and I'm living for it. And then I would of course add like a bunch of like stacked up silver chains. It's all about the vibe, and then some cute little boots. I think that this would be amazing and you'd be super comfortable all day. And now back to the essentials. So we got this gray bodycon right here. You guys know that I love my basics, my essentials, because again, I can dress them up and down and just really make them what I want it to be. So this could be really cute with some boots or even some tennies. It fits really well, and this is also a mini dress, and can we talk about how much this snatches you? Like, it just really takes you in, and it fits perfect. I love the shape that it has right here on the chest. It's just really flattering. And also this is a long sleeve, although like the other pieces, it is very thin, but it is not see-through, so it is going to do the job. You're gonna look super cute, and it's also going to keep you cool. It's not hot at all. And then this is how mini the dress is. Also, while we're here, I want to show you guys how versatile these pieces are. So I'm going to take some beautiful jeans, and I'm just going to act as if this is a bodysuit. So since it is mini and it is thin, I can roll it up to be kind of like a top. So we're going to throw these on really quick. Let's just appreciate these beautiful knee-ripped boyfriend jeans. Everything these days is ripped like way to the max, but this, so cute and the perfect amount of rips. So I'm gonna put these on and show you guys what it looks like. All right, y'all, like, look at this. It went from one outfit to two. Misguided, baby. You did that. So good, so good. Does this not look like a bodysuit to you guys, or just like a cute little top? Misguided is winning, y'all. So cute. Now let's take a quick little look at the distressing on the knee. Can I just have a moment, guys? These are the perfect boyfriend jeans that I have ever had, and then here they do have two other rips, so it's the perfect amount of distressing. And then here you go, two looks with one piece. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below, and everything that you guys need to know will be linked down below. I will have where you guys can go shop, which is missguided.com or missguided.co/UK. And also, please do not forget that I do have a code right here, because girl, we love some savings. So make sure to use this code at checkout and you guys will not regret it. Every single piece is such great quality. I also want to know which of my outfits was your favorite, so let me know in the comments down below. I'm like between three of them, and I kind of feel like I know which one you guys are going to say are your favorite. But before I end this video, I really want to give a quick thanks to Missguided for sponsoring this video. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.